Which marketing methods work best when promoting your products?
At the core of all marketing to doctors is the need to spend quality time face-to-face with them. These are very busy people who have a busy day treating their patients, and we often find that we only have maybe 5 or 10 minutes within that busy day to sit down with them and take them through both the clinical, rational advantages of our products, why we think they should use this product compared to the ones they've been using in the past, as well as the more traditional emotional advantages of the product. By emotional advantages, I might mean how it would help their patients, help them understand the benefits for their patients and how it will make them have easier lives. So we're still very much focused on how we can best present quite complicated data in a short period of time, face-to-face to the doctor.
What problems can you face when marketing pharmaceuticals?
I think the biggest challenge for us is that the regulatory environment, the laws that we need to follow, and are quite strict, and quite rightly so. We in the pharmaceutical industry have the same interests as the doctor. We want to help patients lead better lives. We have to present the data in a fair and balanced way, not to overstate the advantages of our products. Because we're often trying to develop campaigns which are consistent across many different countries across Europe, and because the laws are different across these countries, it's often a challenge to work out exactly what we can say and the best way of saying it.
Has the way you market your products changed much over the last few years?
Unfortunately, because of the regulatory laws that we need to follow, we're not able to promote directly to patients. We can only talk to the doctor because the doctor makes the decision about the medicine. So although we'd love to use all the benefits and opportunities that the internet and the new communication methods offer, we're not able to use them as much as we'd like to do. Having said that, we are beginning, I think many companies are beginning to look at the opportunities that new technologies such as the iPad may offer to present the data when we're face-to-face with the doctor, because it's a clearer and more involving way of presenting the data to the doctor than the traditional paper.
What is a typical life cycle for your products?
The life cycle for a pharmaceutical product is often very long. It can take anything up to 20 years from the scientist first coming up with the idea to it finally being widely used by physicians to help patients' lives. The first 10 years of that life can be spent wholly on the clinical trials to prove that it's safe and has effect and helps for patients. And then the next 10 years, spending a lot of time and effort presenting this data to doctors so that they can begin to understand which patients and in which situations the drug can help them. And just as we're getting to those peak sales, we find that the patent on the drug will go. So there's a long period from the first idea to finally getting it out there in doctors' and patients' hands.